Ever feel like this? You start the day with big plans, but by noon you're stuck, unmotivated, questioning everything. Why does this keep happening? Reason 1. Fear of failure. Hours of work, but freezing at the finish line. Sound familiar? Fear of failure tricks us into thinking not trying is safer than risking mistakes. But stagnation feeds demotivation. The fix? Progress over perfection. Celebrate tiny wins. Sent one email? Win. Wrote a paragraph? Win. Reason 2. Unclear goals. Without clear goals, we're running hard but going nowhere. Ambiguity drains motivation. Break big dreams into micro steps. Instead of write a book, try outline chapter 1. Clarity equals momentum. Reason 3. Burnout. Grinding nonstop, productivity plummets. Burnout isn't laziness. It's your body screaming for rest. Schedule downtime like it's a meeting. A 10-minute walk, a hobby, or doing nothing. Rest isn't optional. It's fuel. Reason 4. Comparison trap. Comparison is a thief. It steals joy and makes your progress feel not enough. Curate your feed. Follow what inspires, not intimidates. Remember, you're on your path. Their highlight reel isn't your reality. Reason 5. Lack of purpose. When actions feel disconnected from your why, motivation fades fast. Reconnect with purpose. Ask, how does this task serve my bigger vision? Even small work matters if it aligns with your values. Demotivation isn't permanent. It's a signpost, telling you to adjust your mindset, goals, or habits. Start small. Be kind to yourself.